All right, let's wait. Hold trade. I was waiting for that. Waiting for the zone to. Once if we got the confirmation regarding the zone, so we'll go for a trade. Okay. Brightness. Okay. I reduce this. ब्राइटनेस के लिए एडजस्ट कर लो भाई, तो थोड़ी देर में सब सेट हो जाएगा. On gold, we are looking for a pullback, so we'll wait until a new resistance get formed. Okay, so once if we get the confirmation, we'll go for the trade. Okay. You have anything, or you can आवाज आ रहा है? मैं don't call me names of BTC Gold. चलो भाई, जोन पे आ रहा है, so we'll wait until candle gets to close to the zone, and then if we find anything, so we'll go for the chart rate. So we're looking for the sell trade right now. Any form of sort of resistance, I just figured it out, so we'll go for the short rate. Okay. बाय BTC चेक कर लो. BTC बाय आज BTC करने का वो नहीं, वीकेंड में करेंगे. आज तो गोल्ड पे है मेरा पूरा फोकस. I just got focused on gold only. Just shut on this thing. Okay. So 15 minute में we have a resistance over here. We have a resistance, so we're just waiting for the pullback. Volume low. Okay, I'm going to fix it. I think you can hear me now. Am I audible now? Is it very clear? Voice వస్తుందా bro? Okay. All right, guys. Let's focus. Let's focus on the charts. भाई ब्राइटनेस के लिए वो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है तो वेट करो कुछ मैं सेटिंग्स भी कर रहा हूँ थोड़ी कल पूरा से सेट हो जाएगा थोड़ा ब्राइटनेस भी मैं चेंज किया था एक्सपोजर भी कम है आई थिंक इट विल बी ओके राइट नाउ चलो गाइस लाइक कर दो और दोस्तों लोग के लिए शेयर कर लो फटाफट से मेक श्योर लाइक द स्ट्रीम एंड मेंशन योर सिटी नेम हाउ फार दैट वी गॉट रीच्ड चलो भाई वापस आ रहा है यहाँ से रिजेक्शन लिया था बट विल स्टिल वेट फॉर दिस we'll keep the limit order at around 30 32 33 okay so limit order has been placed and let's see how does the trade plays out. You're going to watch this out so you can just have a look once again. I'm just going to explain you the whole process. Okay, so gold created a new lower low which caused by this high, so this will be the proper resistance and the price is coming for a retest. Once if it is got retested, so then we can just go for the sell trade. I hope you got the point. Level from Antarctica. अंटार्कटिका पे कहाँ रहता है भाई आप? You stay in Antarctica. See, gold has its own uniqueness, so that's why it will always unpredictable. Gold is unpredictable, but if you can able to understand the market structure, so all beyond this limits, if you are trying to master the gold, understand the market structure first and the higher time frames. That's why I usually say that operation of time frames is very important. If you look at in a 4 hour zone, so as we could see, it's completely bearish. The whole week, it's on bearish and consolidation phase. This is a week that we are going to see something new. I hope price is going to create another lower low on a higher time frames. And now what? Please save me. water. Call the cops, bro. They'll help you out. If you are underwater, how you're trying to send a text? How you got the internet? How you got everything? चलो भाई जोन पे आ रहा है. So let's wait and watch. Earbuds try cheapo for the better audio and noise cancellation. Think we do have noise cancellation on the bro. ఇప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తున్న క్యామ్కి noise cancellation on the. I don't think so it was working good, but still we have a noise cancellation option for this. I've got a filter too. Close this. I think now I will be very clear. So I got a range around 30 centimeters. So it will be now very clear. Come on, gold. Signature. Yes. More sound. Hmm. You put clear on the bro voice? Everybody on the stream. Is it clear now? So let's see. Actually, I got much distance to the cam. So that's the reason. She couldn't able to hear me. Now it will be clear. So I'm not speaking too much loud because of the room noise. It was too high. I have entered over here, but still okay. That's fine. We'll wait for the retest, guys. So once if the retest is done, we'll go for the trade. The USD card was also in the zone. Should have entered. Is there any news? ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేయండి బ్రో. డెస్క్టాప్ ఆడియో కొంచెం ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తున్నా. ఇప్పుడు ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాను, చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. Iran and US and Iran exchange strikes, but peace will conquer all. Okay, that's just there's no major events since from the last couple of hours. So I've changed the भाई ये तो नहीं आ रहा है, वापस नहीं आ रहा है. अगर इस जोन पर आ गया तो विल गो फॉर द शॉर्ट रेट. ओके, there's no short price but still we got a chance. चलो USD CAD कैसे प्ले करना है भाई. USD CAD तो it was just consolidating for a range. It came for a retest, but still I don't have any confirmation. कंफर्मेशन तो नहीं है भाई, सो इसलिए थोड़ा मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. तो कंफर्मेशन आने के बाद मैं डेफिनेटली बाई कर लूँगा. मैं तो सेल नहीं कर लूँगा भाई, क्योंकि अब देखो ये हायर टाइम फ्रेम पे अब आई हैव सीन टू हायर हाइस हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड. ओके, so this is a higher high, most recent one. So I couldn't able to go for the sell trade. Sell trade అయితే నేను తీసుకోవట్లేదు. The only reason is this. If you see, this has got broken out. It was just coming for a retest. USD CAD is just came for a retest. That's it. You can take the trade if you want. You can go for the trade and you can keep the target as this highs. Okay, you can keep the target as this highs. You can keep this target. Okay, it will be easily 1:2. Easily 1:2. So here you can go for the trade and then slightly go for this, and then you can target this highs and go with this. But this is a risky trade. I'm not going to take it up. Okay, so this is a very risky trade. I'm not going to take this trade. I'll wait until the gold get into this zone. Okay, this is a proper resistance, and then we can go for the sell trade. This is a proper resistance. If you have any doubts or queries, you can mention through the chat. I will just reply you back. Okay. So anybody has any kind of questions, you can ask me out there. बाय अभी तक रेसिस्टेंस पे नहीं आया था, सो इसलिए आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द ट्रेड। थोड़ी देर वेट कर लो, रेसिस्टेंस के पास आने के बाद विल जस्ट शॉर्ट फॉर द ट्रेड, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो वी हैव वेस्टेड द टाइम बिकॉज we should have entered over the short for this particular range. Okay, unfortunately my order haven't got filled. Those who got filled their orders, they will be lucky. I will be happy for you. Okay, so I've changed the I'm going to delete this up because I'm not sure about USD CAD. And I'm still waiting for the gold to pull, pull back for this one. ट्रेड तो मिस हो गया भाई. See, the price haven't created any lower low. So at this from this range, okay, from this range, price haven't created any lower low. So the market structure still will be bullish only. So I don't look for the short trades. If you have a look on this higher time frame, so if you go through the 4 hour, so it seems like still bullish because there is no sort of confirmation that price haven't broken out this lower lows. Okay, so this is a lower low, and then after this is the lower low, and then after price created a new higher high, and then after a new lower low, and then after a new higher high. So which means that buyers have taken the control. Now the pure market is under buyers control. So I'm not going to take any trade at this moment. Let's wait for some other time. So we'll just watch out if the gold trying to play out for this particular zone. Oh, we got a zone over here. It's a zone. Okay. This will be our support. We'll see from here onwards if you get any kind of sort of buyers getting involved in this market. So then it will retrace up to this range, and after it will go back. भाई ये तो नहीं आ रहा है. भाई और तो फील नहीं किया था ये. USD शेफ चेक कर लो. USD शेफ. ओके. USD शेफ. USD शेफ. हाँ वाली में. भाई ये तो पुलिस सिनारियो दिख रहा है मेरे को. For the short run, it will be bullish only. I'm not going to say for the long run because as you could see, price created here onwards higher low and the higher high and the higher low and the lower high and then a new lower low, a new lower low, and this will be the lower low, and then this is just a pullback. Price is still in a bearish condition. So if you go through the operation of time frames, if you get into the 15 minutes, so have a look on this. I'm going to remove this. So if you look into the operation of time frames, if you go through the 15 minutes, price created a new lower low since from this gap up. Okay. So have a look on this. This high caused this low. Okay. And this low caused this high. And this low caused this high. This is a new higher high which got broken out, and then after price created a new higher low, and then after a new higher high, and then after uh, higher low, and then after a new higher high, which means in the short run we got a bullish trend, so we can go for the buy. We can go for the buy trades from over here. So this will be the exact zone that you can able to buy. So I'll give you the exact scenario of this. Not from here. You can go from here itself. Yes. Japan? Sorry guys. Where we are. Okay. So this will be the exact zone that if you wanted to go for the buy trade for USD share. You also need get to know that USD share and gold also somewhere would interlink. So it will also play its role. So as we see, price is getting reversed from here. We'll wait until it's get tapped. Okay. So this is just a retracement. That's it. It was just acting to this zone. got some problems with this stuff. Directly or indirectly, gold will react, USD chef will react to gold. So that's two. That too, it will be especially on New York time. Okay. So directly or indirectly, gold will definitely react on this stuff. If you want any noise or if you want any kind of clean charts, you can go with the Euro GPY, but the spread will be too high. So that's up to you whether you wanted to go for it or not. So I can open only two tabs at this moment. So I'll use it for one will be for gold and another one will be for currency pairs. We'll use E. It just got missed out on the Nasdaq. It's a new high. Yeah, in this case, if the price is going to this zone for the Nasdaq, we'll go with the with this low, new high. A new high has been created. So the only reason that I'm looking for the short is this things from the last Since from the yesterday, so we got the new high, which means as you could see, the strength has been increased from the bias itself. So usually I follow go Nasdaq through the volume itself. If I could see, this is the whole consolidation phase. If I go through with the volume, so this will be the case. This is a consolidation phase, and this will act as your point of control. So consolidation, and this is your manipulation, and this is going to be your expansion. But I got missed the expansion trade, so I'm just looking for the retracement. So this will be the final opportunity for me to go for the trade. So this is a risky move. If you wanted to get into the market, so you can go ahead, and I'm not going to stopping you. So I'm going to keep this value very high and low, and I'll mark out these zones as well. If you want, you can screenshot it as well. So okay. So as you could see, price has consolidated for a range over here, consolidation, and then after a manipulation, and then after an expansion. So the expansion has been already happened at this zone, at this particular level, but I got this mistake. I missed this trade, and then after I'll go for this. I'm just looking for a retracement. So this will be the new fresh support, an engulfing support, which I usually go through it. It's my favorite, and I usually go through this. Okay. So let's wait for the zone retrace over here. So I'm gonna place my sell limit. Sorry, buy limit. Okay. I'm going to use this buy limit. Okay. So why is this zone particularly? 29929. That's very cautious. So I'm going to buy a one contract of NQ. Okay. So I've just placed one contract of Nasdaq, and my SL will be this. My stop loss below is support, and my take profit goes 2 to 1 risk reward. And this will be my take profit. Let's see how does this trade plays out. But still we haven't got any fill yet. So we're gonna need to wait for it. Let's check out this gold. Gold is in a good range, bro. Gold is in still it was in the support zone. I'm just waiting for the pullback to short the trade. Okay. Once if the moment that we got price reached to this level, we'll just go for the short trade. Okay. So I'm not looking for any buys today. Nasdaq, I do love Nasdaq because of Nasdaq has something big. Real volume will be stick over there. Because of the exchange, if you are going to talk about the exchange, because it's a two exchange. If we compare CFDs and if we compared futures, it will be completely different because CFDs can hold the orders as desk, and the if we talk about the futures platforms or any futures of brokers, it will directly go to the feed itself. So you know that CME Chicago Martel Exchange is too much big, and then they won't keep it as a book or B book. If you might know about CFDs, so usually the brokers are going to have your orders at the dealing desk. Okay, so they won't never try to find a counterparty for you because they are the one who is holding your orders. Okay, so that's very simple. The difference between CFDs and futures are completely very a lot of big changes that you could able to see. Have to wait. How much funds did I get? Like 196. I'm going to push this up a little bit. Okay, I'll go with this start. Usually futures are completely different and the Nasdaqs are completely different. So we gotta have to have big changes. I should have been entered over here, but I don't know why my order haven't got filled. I don't know for that. Should have waited for some time over here.